This is my blanket, this is my bed. I put on my blanket and lay in my bed. Then I sleep, 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 and I dream as I lay. I open my eyes and I'm ready to play. You gonna dance? Can you wave? Hi. Benjamin, hi. Can you clap? Yay! Yay! Are you singing a song? What is that? What is that? Benjamin, what is that? What is that? Is that your sock? Look, baby butt crack. Baby diaper crack. Da-da. Da-da. What are you saying? What are you saying? Is that Bernie? Benjamin, is that Bernie? Bernie, 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 Bernie. Benjamin! Why won't you look at the camera? Benjamin. Benjamin. You doing your little dance again? I'm gonna get your toesies. See, I have a very stuffy nose. Do you want to sing a song? Do you want to sing, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away." What about Benjamin? What about "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, look at that big old Buddha belly"? Benjamin, where's your belly? Where's your big old belly? Belly, belly, belly. Is that your big old belly? What's over there? Is that Bernie? Do you see Bernie over there on the floor? Where's Bernie? Let's see Bernie. Hi, Bernie. Hi, Bernie. Bernie, sit. Good dog. Good dog. Is that Bernie? Come here, Bernie. Do you love Bernie? Dog? 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 Duh. Duh. Dog? Where's Dada? Dada. Where's Anna? Where's Anna? Anna, 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 Anna. Where's Anna? Did Anna go home? Where's Caitlin? Caitlin. Where's Caitlin? She at school? No, she's not at school. She's with... Okay, are you all done with this? You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Benjamin. No bye-bye. What's up with your hair? Can you, no bye-bye, say bye-bye. No. Oh, you're being grumpy. Bye-bye. By the way, he's staring at himself in the mirror. I know, it's hard to be so handsome. What's out there? What's out there? You gonna crawl? Do you wanna crawl? Come here, let me help you. Come on. Come down, come down, come down. You can do it. You gotta get in position. Come on, you can do it. Yay! You did it. Now you're gonna crawl off the edge of the bed. This is very irresponsible. Let's put you on the floor. Hold on. Whoa. There we go. Now you're gonna get rug burn. Now you're gonna get rug burn. Where are you going? Are you going outside? What are you doing? What's out there? The trees and the birds. What's out there, Benjamin? You going to Bernie's bed? Are you going for my charger? No more charger. Oh, you want the handle. That's Mommy's slipper. Oh boy. Okay, that's enough.